Welcome back to my channel, Nurse Sonia, and for today we'll be doing some unboxing of JBL Tune 120 Red Dot Award 2019 winner! It has Siri and Google Assistant. It can answer calls, play music, JBL Pure Bass Sound, Comfort Fit, and hands-free stereo calls. "15-minute charging is equals to 1 hour playing of music." So imagine, ganun katagal. Mabilis mag-charge, pero matagal mag-discharge. Okay, we'll see and we'll open now. So here we go. You can see some cord. Ayan, ang kanilang orange cord. And the pod and the earbuds themselves talaga. Ayan, open natin ang kanilang quick start guide gamit ang mahiwagang pangbukas. We just bought this one nga pala from JBL Bookstore here in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. Start guide. Makita nyo dito yung ibang notes, ibang instructions. There you go. 3 piraso ng brochure. We'll see here, quick start guide. Yan, ganda no? How to wear, what's in the box. Yan, what's in the box. Ito yung right and left earbuds, yung kanyang pod, and yung kanyang cord with spare po ng cover ng earbuds. So if ever malaki or maliit ang inyong tenga, pambata or pangmatanda, meron silang spare. So they have 3 pairs, yung nasa plastic 2 pairs na yan, tapos yung dalawa ay nakakabit na dun sa earbuds. Yan, how to wear. Makita nyo siya, dapat yung JBL na logo ay nakahiga pag nakalagay na sa tenga nito. Yan, sa mga first time user, you could see here kung paano ilagay yung earbuds. Power on and connect. Automatically entering pairing mode. Choose JBL Tune 120 TWS to connect. Pairing. Yeah, automatic pairing po siya. Power off, ayun lang sa gilid. So yan, kinuha na po ang lagayan mismo. Makita nyo, ayan yung kanyang bed na earbuds. Manual controls, you'll see here yung kanyang power on and connect to device. Just press the right buds, JBL logo, for 5 seconds and it will automatically pair with your cell phone. Connecting, ayan. If you want to connect the right and left, just press 3 times. left. Power on is yung light or left. Light. Sorry. Right or left. Ayan. I-press nyo lang yung right or left ng 2 seconds and power on. Power off. Right or left, press 5 seconds. Button command. You'll see in JBL, on its left side, you can do some fast forward or backwards. And at the right one, you can have play button, stop button, and answering calls. If you are answering calls, just press the JBL logo on the right side to answer call for 3 seconds. So you'll see here the port wherein you will connect the cord for charging. Yan, that's the port that you will connect when you are charging. Usually, up to 2 hours of charging. Ayan, you'll see here, ang kanyang life is 4 hours, yung earbuds, and then yung bed niya is 12 hours. Ibig sabihin, yung bed itself, it has charge for 4 hours kung if you are playing music or using your phone or calling. And then, pag nilagay naman siya sa bed, yung bed niya mismo, pod kung tawagin, ay hanggang 12 hours naman siya, yung charge niya. So, dun siya magcha-charge. Kung nasa labas kayo at wala kayong outlet, dun siya magcha-charge sa bed. Or pod. Pod niya. Pod. Sorry. Ayan. Pwedeng palitan yung cover ng buds. Depende sa gumagamit. Kung malaki or maliit ang tenga. Butas ng tenga. Ayan, medyo nawala yung focus ko dyan sa camera dahil nagdadaldalan kami niyan. You'll see yan, yung earbuds. Ganyan siya, tsura niya. Hindi siya madaling matanggal, promise. Kaya kung naglalakad ka, okay lang yan. Pero make sure nyo lang pag tumatawid kayo sa daan or may kailangan kayong gawing importante, i-turn off nyo yan para at least di kayo ma-distract. Ayan, if you could see, nag-ilaw na yung kanyang bed. It means the buds are charging. Ayan, it means the buds are charging. That's why there is a light. So, klase yung kanyang tsura. Actually, we bought that for a very practical price. Justifiable price. So, hindi siya ganun kasakit sa bulsa. And maganda, sobrang ganda ng quality. I can say 9.5 out of 10 ang quality ng JBL. Because we're also using JBL for our headsets before and our speakers using JBL. So now we're trying to pair it with our phone. So you'll see and pa-charge